Hit the brass. Skibidi skibidi de pado. Dibi da bado. Hey, that. Free as a bird I was. Let me tell you, cause used to be a delight. Staying out all night till I tied the knot. Now my head red hot. I learned something I never knew. Now I'm telling you, matrimony is like prison for true. The smallest handcuff in life is a wedding band. Once you put it and take that vow, you in trouble, man. Well, you know sweet freedom is gone, as you say I do. Get home late, don't meet a wife, is a warden is true. Head up, choose your prison mate carefully and your sentence right. Choose your prison mate carefully or it's constant fight. To all them young men eager to be in life, be careful if wife or you wear the smallest handcuff in life. So me tell you, skibidi de pado, badi bidi da bade. As the honeymoon gone, game me we and gone. My sweetheart lover turn to enforcer. But this ain't no joke. Can't stop after work. If I do, she interrogates me and accusing me of indulging in infidelity. Boy, yo, yo, the smallest handcuff in life is a wedding band. Once you put it and take that vow, you in trouble, man. Well, you know sweet freedom is gone, as you say I do. Get home late, don't meet a wife, is a warden is true. Choose your prison mate carefully and your sentence right. Choose your prison mate carefully or it's constant fight. To all them young men eager to be in life, be careful if wife or you wear the smallest handcuff in life. Gimme, skibidi de pado, badi bidi da bade. When we were just 14, used to shake friends' hands. Now I cannot say hi without suspicion. I'm afraid to greet female friends. I cheat. I can't even spit on my own. My independence gone, and it's only in a dream I could be alone. Oh yo yo, the smallest handcuff in life is a wedding band. Once you put it and take that vow, you in trouble, man. Well, you know sweet freedom is gone, as you say I do. Get home late, don't meet a wife, is a warden is true. Choose your prison mate carefully and your sentence right. Choose your prison mate carefully or it's constant fight. To all them young men eager to be in life, be careful with wife or you wear the smallest handcuff in life. Play the horse. Skibidi de pado, badi bidi da bade. This one is a serious message, you know. Fellas, last one. It's for better or worse. Till you in the hearse, you sign on this dotted line. That's just what you find. Could get your eyes bust. Think twice about divorce, cause the outcome you could predict. After getting on, men still get the shitty end of the stick. Boy, yo, yo, the smallest handcuff in life is a wedding band. Once you put it and take that vow, you in trouble, man. Well, you know sweet freedom is gone, as you say I do. Get home late, don't meet a wife, is a warden is true. Choose your prison mate carefully, and your sentence right. Choose your prison mate carefully, or it's constant fight. To all them young men eager to be in life, be careful if wife, or you wear the smallest handcuff in life. Hit the brass. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Skibidi-bee, skibidi-bee, de pa de pa do. Badi-bee, de bee, da ba de. Hey.